Miko, and this is the hot seat. Today in the hot seat, we have Miss Kelleher.
Hello.
Miss Kelleher, are you ready to keep your cool in the hot seat?
Yes, definitely.
Your time in the hot seat starts now. What scares you the most?
Spiders.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
Mint chip.
What is your favorite smell?
White lilies.
What is your favorite color?
Green.
Is it egg yolk is white or egg yolk aren't white?
Egg yolks are white.
Egg yolks are not white. Who would win in a rock, paper, scissors battle? You or me?
Me.
Let's see. 3, 2, 1.
I still lost.
What is your favorite animal?
Sloth.
How loud can you whistle?
Not very loud.
Can you snap your fingers?
Yes.
Are you a cat or dog person?
Dog.
Describe yourself as a teenager in 3 words.
Funny. More funny and smart.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
Ireland.
What is your favorite movie?
The Notebook.
These are some quick fire questions. Hot or cold? And that's time. Thank you for coming along today in such a good sport. Who would you like to nominate next?
I would like to nominate Miss Cantrell.
Okay then, Miss Cantrell, you're next. Prepare yourself for the hot seat.